Everyone thinks the next billion-dollar company is going to be a clone of ChatGPT. I believe it will likely be an insurance company or a healthcare service or a law firm. Except most of the work will be done by AI, and that creates business opportunities that barely existed 2 years ago. So here's the big idea. Most traditional SaaS companies sold softwares. AI native service companies are going to sell outcomes. We will file your taxes, we will process your insurance, we will audit your documents. Clients and customers don't care if human did it or AI did it. They just care about the outcome and the results. That's why this opportunity is so large. Tax, compliances, hospital administrations, insurance. These are trillion-dollar market. But why is this different from your traditional AI softwares? AI softwares ask you to use tools. AI service companies or AI native service companies ask you to provide the work and details, and they will execute it and provide you with the final results. Yes, that does sound small, but it changes everything. It is not just creating a new budget line, it's changing the existing vendor completely. And that makes selling much easier. So here are 4 signs of great AI service businesses. First is if the work is already outsourced. Is the company giving this work to some lawyer or an accountant or someone? The work should be outsourced. That is the first sign. Second sign is most of the process is automated. You can still keep humans for the final review, but most of the work can be done by artificial intelligence. Third sign is the work intellectually difficult? So simple tasks stay simple, but the most valuable task is what you earn your real wealth in. Fourth sign is regulation is a feature, not a bug. In a regulated industry, the clients and customers care a lot about accuracy, which can be provided by AI. Again, the final result can be reviewed by a human. So here are a few markets that I would personally pay attention to. First of all is tax preparation. Second, insurance claim. Third, healthcare services. Fourth is mortgage processing. Fifth is regulatory compliances. Sixth, adult support. Well, adult support has a lot of money, so to say. And business reporting. You notice something important here. The markets are already huge. You don't need AI to create the demand. The demand is already there. You just have to use the demand and deliver the product and the final result. The strongest founders in AI native services have 3 particular strengths. First is domain knowledge, which means they understand the industry. Second is AI knowledge. They need to understand how AI actually works. And third is operational disciplines. You need to be able to think in systems, in processes, in operations. They think in throughput, error handling, turnaround time, and so on. One mistake you might make is just think that you might build an app and just leave it and it will print the money by itself. It does not work like that. This is an operation heavy business. One biggest mistake founders make is they sign too many clients too early. You need to just sign few clients and deliver good quality results. Quality control is the most important factor in AI native services. Start with 3 to 5 pilot customers and learn from them. Understand the industry, execution, the pipelines, the systems, the processes, and then you can take more clients as you grow. And when it comes to pricing your AI, price according to the outcome, like per insurance claims, per tax return, and so on. So make sure it is outcome based and not like a subscription model. So you can work with clinics, dental practices, gyms, med spas, real estate companies. Well, real estate is pretty crowded and the real estate agents mostly do most of the work themselves. But yeah, you can look into these industries. You can build AI voice systems, you can build appointment systems, you can build follow-up systems. It's more about, taking care of one pillar in the business. So the biggest AI opportunities are no longer around AI chatbots. It's about the systems and services that are fueled and powered by AI.